Welcome to the English Crush.
Hey, do you have a minute?
I owe you an apology.
I'm listening.
I was really rude to you at dinner last week. I'm sorry.
It did hurt. I didn't say anything at the time.
I know. I was stressed and I took it out on you. That was wrong.
Why didn't you just tell me you were stressed?
I should have. I wasn't thinking clearly.
It's not easy to hear, but I appreciate the honesty.
I value our friendship a lot. I don't want to damage it.
I value it too. Just talk to me next time, okay?
I will. I promise.
Okay. Apology accepted. Let's move forward. Wow. Did you paint all of these yourself?
Yes, it took about 6 months.
I'm speechless. This one is my favorite.
Really? That one took the longest.
You can feel the emotion in it. How do you do that?
I just paint what I feel. No plan, no rules.
I wish I had that kind of talent.
Everyone is creative in their own way.
Have you ever sold any of these?
A few. It still feels strange. Someone paying for my feelings.
You should sell more. These deserve to be seen.
Thank you. That really means a lot.
Can I tell you something? I've been feeling really anxious lately.
Of course. I'm glad you told me. What's going on?
I don't even know exactly. I just feel worried all the time.
That sounds exhausting. How long has this been happening?
A few weeks now, I can't sleep properly either.
Have you spoken to anyone, a doctor or therapist?
Not yet. I wasn't sure if it was serious enough.
Your feelings are always serious enough. Please don't minimize them.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Would you like me to go with you to see someone?
Actually, yes, that would really help.
Then let's find someone this week. You don't have to do this alone. Tickets, please.
Here you go.
Can I ask, is this the train to Vienna?
Yes, it is. You're in the right place.
Great. My seat is 14B, but someone is sitting there.
Let me check. Yes, 14B is your reserved seat.
What should I do?
I'll speak with the other passenger. One moment.
Thank you. Also, what time do we arrive?
We're on schedule. Arrival is at 4:15.
And is there a dining car on this train?
Yes, car number 6. It opens at noon.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your journey.
Good morning, Mum. You're up early.
Good morning. I always wake up at 6. Did you sleep well?
Yes, really well. What's for breakfast?
I made eggs and toast. Sit down.
Smells amazing. What time do I need to leave?
Your bus comes at 8:15. You have 40 minutes.
Okay. Can I have some orange juice too?
It's already on the table. Don't forget your bag today.
I won't. Oh, can you pack my lunch?
It's already done. Sandwich and an apple.
You think of everything. Thank you, Mum.
That's my job. Now eat before it gets cold.
Oh, what a beautiful dog. What breed is it?
Thank you. She's a golden retriever. Her name is Sunny.
Can I pet her?
Of course, she loves people.
She's so soft. How old is she?
3 years old. Still very playful.
I've always wanted a dog. Are they a lot of work?
Yes, honestly. Walks twice a day, food, vet visits.
But worth it?
Absolutely. She makes every day better.
I might get one someday. Thanks for letting me pet her.
Anytime. Say bye, Sonny. Hey, do you have a moment? I wanted to share some thoughts on the presentation.
Of course. I was hoping to get some feedback.
First, your content was really strong. The data told a clear story.
Thank you. I spent a lot of time on it.
I could tell. One thing I noticed, the slides had a lot of text.
Yes, I wasn't sure how much detail to include.
Less is usually more in presentations. Bullet points work better than paragraphs.
That's a good point. I'll keep that in mind.
Also, you spoke a bit fast at the beginning. It slowed down nicely after that.
Nerves! I always rush at the start.
Totally understandable. A slow, deep breath before you start can help.
I'll try that. Thanks for being honest. This is really useful.
Of course, overall, it was really impressive.